Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Flipkart Delivery Partner. First, ensure you meet the basic eligibility criteria, which typically includes being over 18 years old and having a valid driver's license. Next, gather all necessary documents such as your identification proof, address proof, and vehicle registration papers. A reliable smartphone with a good internet connection is also crucial for managing deliveries. Once your documents are ready, navigate to the official Flipkart Delivery Partner website. You'll find an easy-to-use online application form there. Carefully fill in all required fields, including your personal details, contact information, and specifics about the vehicle you plan to use for deliveries. Double-check everything before submitting to avoid any delays in your application process. After submitting your online application, you'll need to submit your physical documents for verification. Flipkart will then schedule a mandatory training session. This training is vital as it covers essential delivery protocols, safety guidelines, and how to provide excellent customer service. It ensures you are well prepared to handle various delivery situations efficiently and professionally. Once verification and training are complete, download the Flipkart Delivery Partner application to your smartphone. You can then start accepting delivery requests in your assigned area. The app will guide you through the process, from picking up packages to delivering them. You'll also gain insight into the payment structure, helping you understand your potential earnings per delivery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.